Welcome to Cassia Naturals. Today we are making a brightening serum. So say goodbye to dark spots with this brightening, hydrating serum for youthful skin, anti-aging, and so hydrating, which will leave your skin so plumped and youthful. So if you want to look your skin to look so beautiful, continue watching. Friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video, I'm so thrilled because you know what, friends, I'm going to share with you how to make a brightening serum for flawless skin. If you have challenge with acne or dark spots, eczema, like this brightening serum is going to work wonders for you, and it's not going to alter your skin color, but it will make your face look flawless, without any toxic ingredients, friends. So it is actually stabilized vitamin C serum that can do wonders for your skin. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end, friends. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. And I'll show you exactly how to make it. And this is actually my first time, making stabilized brightening serum. And I'm going to share with you the ingredients that I added to stabilize vitamin C, how you can stabilize vitamin C if you're not using a stabilized vitamin C to make it work efficient for your skin so that you avoid, oxidation. Yes, friends. So first we'll start with our distilled water. This is important. So distilled water, we are going to measure 75.5 grams of our distilled water. So you don't have to go for tap water. Make sure that you have some distilled water that is actually recommended for formulation. So we are going to measure 75.5 grams of our distilled water. So this is our phase A. And surface A will contain our water, will contain our xanthan gum, glycerin, ferric acid, and sodium metabolite, which will actually help to stabilize our vitamin C serum. So we are adding in 10 grams of our vitamin C. So it is actually in powder form. So vitamin C, if you want to work with vitamin C, make sure that you go for stabilized one. But if you don't have the stabilized one, then you can follow this step, which can help to stabilize your vitamin C serum. So we are measuring 10 grams of our vitamin C. So that is how it looks like. So at this point, actually, vitamin C that I'm using is water soluble. So I'm going to add it to our water phase. So I'm adding it to our water phase. It is actually a water soluble vitamin C that we are using. And then once you are done, you have to make sure that you stir it completely so that it dissolves. This is a very, very important step, friends. So we are getting a stirring rod, and make sure that you continue stirring until your vitamin C dissolves. You'll see that it will dissolve after stirring for at least 1 minute. Please don't go ahead until your vitamin C is dissolved. So at this point it is dissolved. That is how it looks like, and there are no residues. As you can see, it has combined so well. So that is how it looks like. It is well dissolved, fully dissolved actually. So at this point, we are going to add in a ferulic acid. 1 gram of ferulic acid. So ferulic acid actually is an active ingredient. It will help stabilizing our vitamin C, and it is actually an antioxidant, and it will also help reduce inflammation and signs of aging and even the skin tone. So just 1 gram of our ferulic acid. So you have to be precise with the measurements. That's the reason why, I'm just pouring in a little, because we are going with just 1 gram, friends. So you need to be so precise. And make sure that now you mix it well so that it is well combined. So we are mixing. Continue mixing, friends, until it is well homogenized. Like it will start forming a jelly kind of emulsion. So continue stirring, friends, and comment in the section below if you are finding this video helpful. Comment in the section below and give this video a big thumbs up. So if you are struggling with dark spots and age spots of lately, don't worry, because we've got something for you, introducing our new brightening hydrating serum that ultimately, solution to fade those pesky dark spots. Our serum contains, potent blend of natural ingredients that brighten, hydrate, and rejuvenate your skin. So that is how it looks like, after adding our ferulic acid. So at this point, we are going to put it aside, and now coming to our xanthan gum. So xanthan gum, we are using 0.5 pre-measured already, and 3 grams of our glycerin. And then we are going to hydrate it. So this will boost moisturization because both are humectants, and xanthan gum will actually bind our serum. It will act as an emulsifier. It will help to bring the water and other active ingredients together. So give it a stir so that it is well combined and will have a smooth consistency. So that is how it looks like. Have you seen, friends? It is well hydrated. Make sure that you hydrate it with some glycerin. It is very, very important. And don't go in with more glycerin because it will be very sticky. So that is how it looks like. It is well combined at this point. So at this point, we are going to add it to our water phase. So I just scooped using a spatula like so. Make sure that you scoop everything and add it so that it is a full formulation. So once we are done, we are going to give it a stir. So you have to make sure that at every point you add in an ingredient, make sure that you give it a stir so that it is well homogenized, it is well combined together with other ingredients. So continue stirring until it is well incorporated with other products. So at this point, we are going to add in our sodium metabosulfate. I failed to pronounce this word. So this is an antioxidant, and it will also act as our preservative. So you need to add it to the water phase because it's more like more like a powder. So you add it to the water phase. So I'm adding in 1 gram of our sodium metasulfate. So it will also actually act as our stabilizer. Give it a stir. And then once you are done, we'll put it aside, and then we'll come to our hyaluronic acid. So this will be our phase B. So actually hyaluronic acid is a powerful, has the ability to retain moisture. It's so moisturizing, and it will also minimize signs of aging. So if your skin is dry, that is a recipe for disaster. So hyaluronic acid has powerful moisturizing ingredients. So be precise with your measurements. So we are adding 10 grams of our hyaluronic acid. So this is a powerful, brightening serum, hydrating brightening serums. Like it really worked wonders for our skin. Yes. So at this point, we are going to add it to our phase B. So that is how it looks like. Like I was just scooping and then putting in using a spatula so that everything can go in there. So as you can see, it's becoming thicker, some kind of cloudy, but well homogenized. And we're happy at this point. Give it a stir, continue stirring. And then we're going to put it on heat. And then at least, for 10 minutes. And then we'll remove it from the fire. Continue stirring. So that is how it looks like. So our serum at this point is well homogenized. And I'm not going to add any color. I just want it to be the way it is. So you can customize it if you want. You can add some color, but we're not going to do that. So that is how it looks like, friends. I'm so happy. So subscribe to our channel if you haven't. So we've removed it from the fire. So friends, like this brightening serum, along with hyaluronic acid, ferulic acid, all these ingredients provide intense hydration and help to fade away dark spots and improve skin tone. So our formula is lightweight and non-greasy, making it perfect for everyday use. Just apply a few drops of serum in your face and neck and you massage, as you can. So at this point, I'm going to let it sit so that it can stabilize. So I'm just covering it with some aluminum foil paper. We'll let it sit for at least 30 minutes and then we'll come back. So you'll find that it has stabilized very well. So it has actually, it will give you this actually moisturizer. You can also help make it as a base for a smooth reded complexion. You know, if you want to apply your makeups, and you say goodbye, to those spots, say hello to brighter, more youthful skin. So this is so hydrating, friends. So make sure that you store it in dark bottle, as you can see. So this will prevent some sun damage so that it doesn't oxidize. So at this point, our brightening serum, rejuvenating serum, hydrating serum is ready at this point, friends. Just look at that. This is a powerful, powerful brightening, rejuvenating, hydrating serum. So comment in the section below if you have made one or you are going to try out one. So I'm going to apply it on a freshly washed face, as you can see. So actually, I've just applied some shea butter. So you can actually use it, after applying your, or after applying it, before applying your moisturizer, and then you go in with your serum. Yes, whatever like your state is. So for best results, make sure that you use it so frequently, like in the morning or evening. Just like put some drops, a few drops on the face, and then you actually massage it lightly in, and you can even apply it on the neck, but I didn't apply it on the neck. But of course, probably tomorrow we're going to apply it on the neck. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I appreciate you so much, friends, for watching and for supporting us, for sharing our videos. I really appreciate you. Yes, so when you subscribe to our channel, it will help you, like we'll post useful tips and product information on this channel. So just look at that, friends. So like it is so hydrating, and it's lightweight, it's non-greasy, like it soaks in without any greasy feeling. Yes, friends. So our skin looks so brightened, as you can see. And you can, let me just show you, like I'm going to apply more of the serum, and I'm also going to apply it on the palms of my hands and see how it gets in, soaked in quickly. So it drinks up, the skin drinks up this brightening, dark spots brightening, hydrating serum, friends. So this is so powerful. I love it. So I'm just one drop, friends, and it's so hydrating, as you can see, and it's very pliable, very hydrating, friends. Like it soaks up in very well. Look at that, like not any greasy feeling, and it's lightweight, as you can see. Look at that, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you.